Hello, welcome to the Slow Foods Kitchen channel. My name is Felicia. I'm one of the co-founders along with Amanda, where we are really into making healthy foods out of fresh, natural, raw ingredients that are easy to find. So today we're going to talk about a raw chocolate pudding. So this chocolate pudding, and don't tell your kids this, but it's made with avocados, a blend of powdered chocolates, maple syrup, and a touch of cinnamon, a touch of salt, some vanilla. Oh, what am I forgetting? Oh, the fresh, this one I used oat milk, but you could use any of your favorite milks you wanted, whether it be from a cow or a plant. They all work. So, and I've topped it up with a little fresh fruit, and everything in here, of course, is organic. And the recipe, take a picture or go to our blog and sign up and get the newsletter and get all of our recipes that we gladly share with you. So make this for the kids and you'll find that Dad's gonna want it too. Yummy. See y'all again soon, and don't forget, it's Taco Tuesday. See where you can find me tonight eating a taco.